Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. So today what we are going to be doing is we are going to be learning how to desolder. And you know, desoldering can be a very difficult task sometimes, but with the help of this soldering pump, it makes it very easy. So today I'm going to show you some few tricks and steps on how to use this soldering pump for desoldering. So in order to use this pump, it's just a simple way. You just engage this part here, you aim at where you desolder, then you press this button here. So as soon as you press, it pops back. As you can see, you engage, you aim it at where you want to desolder, you press, then it pumps back. So after desoldering or after doing the task you want to do, and you want to service it or you want to maintain it, you really open this portion here. So as you can see, this portion here, you only open it. Then you take off the excess lead which is kept inside. So as you can see, that's the view inside. So you just take off this spring here and remove the excess lead from the container. And also the tip here is made of Teflon, and Teflon has a resistance to heat, so it will be difficult for this tip here to melt, as you can see. So let's proceed. So as you can see, I have this board here, and this board is damaged, so I need some of the components on it. So today I'll be removing a few capacitors, so you can see maybe I need those capacitors in my future projects. As you can see, this is the circuit board here. So let's proceed. So as you can see, these are the pins for one of the capacitors on the board. So in order to desolder this capacitor, you need to apply a little of new lead to the already soldered pin. So here's it. So as you can see, I've applied some lead. So you first have to engage your pump. So my pump is engaged. Then I'll apply the sodium on it. So as you can see, the lead is going up the pin gradually. So with the help of this pump, it makes it easier for you to perform any desoldering tasks. So I still need to apply some lead in order to be able to remove the already soldered one. So as you can see, with the help of the pump, I've been able to desolder the pin and the capacitor is off. So as you can see, this is the capacitor from the pin I desoldered. So with the help of the pump, it made it very easy for me to desolder, and you can use it to perform multiple tasks. So after you finish desoldering, you just have to open this tip here. You find the excess lead trapped in it, then you just take it off. So as you can see, this is the lead inside. So you just take it off by the help of a brush, or you just clean it with a rag. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and also click the notification icon so anytime I post videos you can see on time. So thank you for watching my video. Bye. See you on my next video.